Hi there, welcome to this tutorial. Now in this tutorial we are going to be talking about the code editor that we are going to be using to write our PHP codes. You understand? So in the previous tutorial we talked about setting up local environments for PHP in our PC. So here we used XAMPP. XAMPP, you can install it on either Windows, Linux or Mac. You understand? So I'm using Windows, so I installed for Windows. And then we also talked about how to check if your installation was okay, and you're just gonna go to your XAMPP control panel and start up Apache and MySQL. So in my case it started already, and I can just go to my favorite web browser and type localhost. As you can see, it's opened up the directory where my XAMPP is installed. So in your case it's not going to show up this. In your case it's going to show up the XAMPP welcome page after installation. You understand? So we're going to continue with the code editor for this PHP. There are so many code editors you can use, like VS Code, Adobe Dreamweaver, Sublime, Atom, and many others. But here Bracket is my favorite code editor. You understand? So we are going to install Bracket. If you want to follow everything that I'm doing exactly, so you have to install Bracket, so that you need to follow everything that I'm doing exactly, and so that you're not going to make mistakes somewhere or any other thing. You understand? So we are just gonna go to brackets.io. I guess this is the correct URL. Yeah, of course it is. So once you go to brackets.io, you see the download button. Brackets works for every operating system like Windows, Mac, and Linux. So in your case, once you click the download button, it's going to download automatically the one that you are running. As if you're using Mac, it's going to download the one from Mac. If you're using Linux, it's going to download the one for Linux. So you're just going to click this download Brackets, and this is the latest version of Brackets. So that's it. In my case, I'm just going to click download, and it's going to download it. But since I have Brackets installed in my system already, I'm just going to cancel this. I'm not going to download it again. So once you download it, you're just going to click on it. After you click on it, it will install, and then you install Brackets in your system, and you can just go to your Brackets and then double click on it, and it will open up this window. Once it opens up, because you are installing it for the first time, you are going to see a welcome message written in HTML, and trust me, Brackets have beautiful code highlighting and syntax. You understand? So it makes it look nice while you are writing your code. That's why I love it, and Brackets is very nice. So this is just how to install our code editor. And let me say, if I open a new file here, maybe index.html, I can just write a simple HTML code. As you can see, it's even completing the code for me. And you can write your head. Sorry, you can write your head, and then the body, and so on. Before embarking in this tutorial, I guess you must have studied your HTML code, how to write HTML code, because you cannot actually write PHP code without learning how to use your HTML. You understand? But that's not a problem. We are going to take you along with us, and everything is going to be simple for you. Trust me on that. So we are going to end this video here, but before that, you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You understand? You can go to youtube.com. Once you go to youtube.com, you go to the search for on top of the YouTube page. You understand? So you can go here and type Codegitate. If you don't know how to spell it, it's Codegitate, and tutorials. Go to Codegitate tutorials and hit enter, or you click on this little search button here, and here is our YouTube channel. You can just click on subscribe button here, or you can just click on it and go to our homepage and do the subscribe button. The first video you're going to see is a welcome video. So that's it. Just make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video. Also invite your friends and family to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.